The question is how to remain in present moment all the time. What should I do to remain in present? Because the mind is always in a future or in a past. So what should I do to make my mind remaining in present moment? You know, there used to time, it you can say 5 year back, I used to practice myself. I put alarm of 10 minutes and see myself that how much time I got the present moment. But at that time, I used to chase the present moment. I used to, you know, catch the thought, suppress the thought to remain in that moment. But after, as I progressed, I feel that this suppression making me more anxious, more restless. And then I found an object to concentrate, like listening to the surrounding noise or focusing on breath, objective awareness. And I got that. And yes, it helped me a lot when I used to listen to the outside sound, objective sound, objectively, and the breath going out and in. This helped me a lot. But again, I thought that this is again effort. Again, this is the chasing. After that, I dissolved even the person who wants to remain in present moment, who want to chase the moment, because the moment is already there. You don't have to chase it. You don't have to look after it. The tree is already in the present. I don't have to, imagine. I don't have to make theory, concept. It's already there. So everything is in its own place. Everything is there. Everything is still there in present. So just resonate with the life which is happening right in front of you and become the life itself. Because we are not life. We are robots. We are conditioned. We are programmed. We have educational conditioning. We have societal, environmental conditioning, parental conditioning, even experience conditioning. Our past hurts or past, good and bad experiences. So you don't have to do anything to remain in present moment, because present moment is already there. It's everything. Life is happening right now. Life is happening in present. You don't have to make any effort to remain in present moment. The bird is chirping in present moment. The wind is blowing in present moment. Everything which is in the past or future is your imagination. Is your act of doing. Is your act of chasing. Is your restless mind. So let your mind open completely. Let it go where it will go. Don't try to suppress it or concentrate it on any object. No. Just let it free. And when you let it free completely, then we will go beyond it. It no longer trouble you, because you let it free. And in this freedom, you are already in a present. already in present. You just be choicelessly aware, and not the act of awareness, not that I am aware, but awareness comes on its own when you just remain with what is happening, whatever is happening. Remain with what is. Remain with the life. Don't label it right, wrong, moral, immoral, good, bad, negative, positive. No. Just purely living with it, remaining with it. And you are already in a present moment. That's what I discovered about present moment. For all who are serious in spirituality and meditation, you can join my course. It's comprised of 24 videos. The topics are like who am I, present moment, awareness, observation, how to witness, meditation, what is truth, thought, freedom from thought, learning, experience. Go beyond your experience, go beyond words, silence, and a guided meditation video. You can join this course. My WhatsApp number 9773529489, and this number I'm giving in description too. Thank you very much.